Okay, now you're on.
So this is my 1910 Model 66-1. So this is the first model of the Model 66. Please scroll right over this way so you're looking down at the machine. Um, the decals on this one are perfectly intact. This is something you don't usually find because they wear off very easily. And people put these little pin holders on here that scratch away at the word singer and do all kinds of nasty stuff there. But with a little oiling, this has come up nice and it can clean even more. This is a brand new belt made out of cowhide. I'm not going to worry about the rust and pitting on here. I can get it with some aluminum foil later. So this is just the second time we've managed to. Oop, that's backwards. Sorry. To get this sucker running,
Yahoo!
and she's quiet as a mouse. And this was
Yeah.
just after 2 days of sitting in sewing machine oil and letting it run.
Very
So there we are.
great.
I've redone the brass pulls on the drawers. I've refinished all the wood inside and out. This is the old presser bar with the old back clamping assembly. I'm keeping it on hand just in case some future person wants to restore this to original. It was born June 24th of 1910, and now it's back. There we are. Done.
Yay.